Time to step foot in the house and record. Ay, ay, ay. Damn, it started pouring. Oh boy. Feel bad for that lady. Like, I really feel bad for her. She got caught out in the storm. You should come out here and see the weather. It just started pouring a second ago.
Yeah.
I think I caught 2 or 3 lightning.
Is the rain hitting the steps here?
What do you mean, your phones?
Not hitting that little table.
What little table?
Where my steps are. Turn to your left, look outside.
Oh, this left? Dad, it can't hit there. There's a thing there. It's... But I had to step foot inside because it was pouring, so I had to step in here. You know, summer thunderstorms are actually pretty cool. Except I can't believe it happened on the second day of summer, but what you gonna do about it? I know a lot of people don't talk in their storm videos, but I only talk when I have a break to, and then when it thunders or lightnings, I stop talking. So, yeah. Oh yeah. Got to mention to you guys, there's a clock tower over there. Just tells the time. You know, this house is better for catching storms because I have a bigger view of the west. As you can see, over there is the west. Back there is the east. Storms are moving west to east, so they're coming from over here and going that way. Don't know if we'll get any more storms today. It says tonight we're supposed to get rain, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh. That wind feels good. Oh. I missed a lightning strike somewhere. I don't know where it is, but... It might have been over top of us. I don't know, because the cloud is going... The big black cloud is going over top of us, but I can still see gray clouds over there. So, I mean, if I zoom this in, you can see it over there. I could have sworn I just saw that lightning right on top of the... Could have sworn I seen it right up there. Holy cow. Yep, I did. Okay, I'm gonna sit down again. Still going. I had to take like 3 or 4 videos.
Where's Diesel?
He's right there.
Go in your house.
I think I saw a lightning strike up here.
Did you?
I mean, not a strike, a flash. Still going, Walter?
Yep.
It's making me take so many videos.
There you go.
It'll be memories. Okay, I'm gonna actually stop this video for a minute because I'm gonna send some videos over to some of my friends that watch my YouTube videos, and then if it's still storming, I will continue recording. Yeah. But I do have to take my medication in a few minutes, mementos, so well, I'll let that rumble go through first. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video now, and I'm gonna send the short videos to my friends. And then I'll be back to record, I hope.